for people doing chemistry who are going to go out to become scientists, it's not just about academic excellence and the knowledge, it's also about problem solving, be able to communicate your ideas. Also, for a lot of chemistry graduates, they don't actually go on to become chemists working in labs for large companies. They might go on to become school teachers or accountants. And again, problem solving, critical thinking, communication skills are really important there. So these other graduate attributes, I think, can be really useful, and to actually think about them and to flag them up from the very start of your degree is very beneficial. In our Level 3 physical chemistry course, I'm responsible for the labs, and I introduced a specific group work experiment last year. In that experiment, I was also a little bit vague with the instructions for what the students had to do. So we've got a problem-solving aspect to that experiment, and then a group work aspect as well. So they need to think about time management, distributing the workload, and then they have to come together and write a group report as well. So we've got the ability to work independently, but also teamwork, graduate attribute covered. But in addition to that, I introduced some peer and self-assessment into the assignment as well. So the students have to fill in an online questionnaire using a website called WebPA. They have to answer questions about themselves and about each member of their group in terms of contribution to lab work, contribution to the report, how well they work as a team, timekeeping, etc. And all these answers come together to give individual marks for the single group report. So the students are also having to think about self-reflection as well. They need to think about where they maybe were a bit weak or stronger in, and also thinking about how they contribute to the team as well. So we're really covering some of the learning and personal development graduate attributes as well. I think I'd say to staff that for a lot of these graduate attributes, you're probably already doing them. Most of the things in the list are being covered by the courses already, and particularly professional courses which have got recognition by professional bodies. So really it's just about going over those graduate attributes and maybe applying them and highlighting them in the courses.